Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing this full glam fiery orangey makeup look with a beautiful cut crease. So if ever you want to see how I did that, make sure to subscribe to my channel for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. And also to watch all the way to the end because I'm showing you this makeup look and it's so cute. So let's get into it. I'm so excited because we're gonna do a full glam, and of course I kind of didn't want to do my face on camera. It was gonna take a long time. I just put as much literally foundation as possible to just cover everything up. A lot of powder. I'm trying to pass like powders that I don't actually like, so it's all gonna be listed down below about the powder that I don't like. But the eyes, so we're gonna start with the primers, and I'm gonna mix Painterly Paint Pot with Sink to a Whisper because I feel like this is a little bit too, I would say, dark on my eyes to make the colors pop, and I really want those colors to pop. So I'm gonna start with the Painterly, and then I'm gonna add on top Sink to a Whisper. Well, compared to this foundation and powder duo, it's honestly not that bad, the color, but it's not the color that I want. Sink to a Whisper. I'm just putting the Sink to a Whisper right under the brow bone and then bringing it all the way to the inner corner and then blending this out with the shade Painterly on my eye, so then there can be a more seamless transition. I'm putting it on my inner corner as well and on the lid, so then later on I can have a better cut crease. It's so funny how much of a difference it does on my eyes. Honestly, it brings so much light. But now we have to add a little bit of color, and I was thinking, since I did my nails orange today, and I never put orange on my nails, so I was inspired by that, and I really want to go into oranges into the Morphe eyeshadow palette and a little bit of brown, and we're gonna be so fun. Transition shade. First, we're gonna go with a bright color. Transition shade, but let's back it first and create the shape. And we just blend back and forth, circular motions, and windshield wiper motions. Cute thing is done, and I took extra care of my eyebrows today. I did them a little bit longer, and I feel like I like them better when they're longer. And I know like I kind of look weird, my face is flat, everything is flat, but we're gonna do everything else later on, and it's just gonna bring the whole look together, something very that's gonna fit with my nails. Obviously, I feel like it's like the end of the summer going into fall, so I'm ready to start with the whole fall vibes, the leaves, fireplace, cozy vibes. We're all here for that, which I love. Look, I even put this shirt and gold jewelry, so it all fits. I'm just like, ah. I took another brush and we're gonna go into the burnt orange, and I'm packing the brush like I'm really digging into it. I didn't do that in a while. I don't know why. I just know that it works better when I dig my brush into it, and then I just pack it. And you're gonna find me weird because I did my face before, and I'm like, we might have a fallout situation later on, but we'll see if I can avoid it by just, placing the pigment at the outer corner, super precise, and then not having too much, and then blending into circular motions into the other color. This is just a second transition shade that I'm placing. It's not gonna be the final look. We want this to be intense, so obviously I'm going with brighter colors first, and I'm just going in the crease, blending it properly, making sure it's right there and the colors fit. Because if I left it like this, it would just be like, it just doesn't speak to me enough. You know what I mean? But I would never. Well, maybe if I'm in a rush on a day, but no. It's like, you can see the whole vibe, okay? So now I put kind of the yellowish first, and this makeup look can remind you of the leaf changing colors. Imagine my eye look changing into all of the colors of the leaves, super relaxing, the air that becomes so fresh, and then you smell the fireplace, the leaves when you walk, and they crunch under your feet as well. Oh my god, girl. Okay, we're living our whole fantasy over here, and it's just so cool. Oh my god, why is this eye better than the other one? Oh my god, usually it's not that case. It's already looking better. Okay, so now I have to take another brush. And I'm like, which brush should I take? A little brush here, and I'm gonna go straight into the red and going into the outer corner of the eye, just to darken up a little bit of the burnt orange that we have. And just blending that shade into the crease again, and then bringing it into a winged motion. So soft, this brush, it's insane. I'm like, it's such a different from the other brush that I just used. This is a MAC 221S. Honestly, this one is so soft. I didn't think that it would feel that soft compared to the other one. I'm like getting these brushes like right now, and the thing is so tiny compared to the other one. I think I prefer that, honestly. I think I'm gonna add maybe some yellow after. Maybe that's the trick. Or maybe I just have to put another brush that has some yellow on it already and take that orangey color and just go at the top. Maybe that's what I need, just to brighten up. Ooh, that worked. That worked. Just to blend out the pigment. I'm not actually like putting it, I'm literally dusting it off every single time that I want to apply it, and as you can see, it creates kind of like a more blended effect on, you know, my eyes. It can look cute and nice. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. I like to check which one I want to take. This one, I mean, they're quite similar, but one is a little bit more, I'm gonna go with the more like warm tones, because I feel like if I go with the other one, it's not gonna look as great. So let's stay within those colors. Or maybe I should do my cut crease first. I should do my cut crease first. We're gonna do that, even though I decided already what I was gonna put on my eyes. And I'm gonna take just a little round brush from Morphe and going to Sing to a Whisper. And I'm gonna pat this on top of my eye. We gotta make that cut crease as pale as possible, and that's the first time I actually use it like that, so we'll see how that goes. I just want to use it because it's white, and I'm kind of like cleaning it in between every time that I go back. I don't want to dirty what I'm doing inside the pot. I'm sorry if you can't see anything. I'm trying. It's turning into a pink. That wasn't my intention, but it's okay. I'm just gonna go back with the white. Beautiful white cut crease. Honestly, this is amazing. It's gonna make the colors pop so much. I wonder what I'm gonna put there. Oh my god. Anyways, what do you guys think about the cut crease? Honestly, it's insane. I love it. I'm getting all excited about this. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna take back the little red that I had, and I'm gonna start blending this into the base that I have right now, just so it's not too harsh. So to create kind of like a little pink color. Okay, and then now I'm ready to apply more color. So I'm going to add a little bit of the dark brown that I was talking to you guys earlier into the outer corner to blend it with the rest, so it looks really cute. And if it's not cute enough, I'll just sharpen it over there. I'm just going to make sure to do the under eye first. It's just I like to do the upper and I do the lower. Going into the brown, and then I'm just going to pack this at the outer corner of the eye while blending it into the same motion that I've been doing since the beginning, into the crease and into the corner of the eye, cutting it. So I'm like, do I put what do I put? I think I'm gonna put like a shimmery color that I have in this palette, the little tiny shimmery color. I feel like not with this one. Yeah, I'm gonna put the shimmery color. I'm just gonna pack it with my brush and then apply it so it can make like a huge difference. It's like this one kind of have green compared to the rest, but it's okay. It's supposed to be gold, but next to all of the other colors, it kind of looks greenish. Placed. We can't go back. And taking back the red color, and then I'm just gonna kind of like dust it together and then blend it. I like to blend it like up and down so that it's not too intense. And I like to have it like that shape. I know it's weird, but it's so pretty with that shape. I'm like, I need more white. Girl, that ain't working. That ain't working. Now the question is, do I put something light at the bottom or do I put something dark at the bottom? Like, do I put brown? Do I put the yellow? Do I put the red? I feel like I don't want to put the red. I feel like I want to put not the brown because it's gonna get too intense, but the burnt orange and the lighter orange. So I think I'm gonna do that. Yes. Okay, light orange first, burnt orange. I kind of sweeped a bit. We're gonna see what it does because I feel like it wasn't good enough, so I kind of removed a little bit. I'm like blending things out. It just takes a lot of work. And then I'm taking the dark brown and just blending it into here and on the other side, like at the outer corner, and then bringing it down. I'm even putting it here and then blending everything out at the bottom. Since I can't erase the mistakes that I made, I'm just gonna use yellow and then bring it under. And what I like with like yellow colors is that if I bring it under, it's really gonna brighten the eye area and it's gonna look super cute and super lifted. Look at the difference. Like, there's no more yellowish weird color. Like, look at that, how sharp it is, and look at that, it's like more blended, it's more cute. On top of that, I'm adding powder on my concealer that maybe would have creased, so it's a win-win for everyone. All right, so this is done. So before I get to the rest of my face, I'm gonna go put my mascara and my lashes, and then I will be right back. What do you guys think? Does makeup look so fierce? Ooh. But then now we need to put something else on our faces. Of course, I'm going to be bronzing up my face with the Marc Jacobs little bronzer because we look a little plain and we need some help. Honestly, I never thought I would say that, but I need some bronzer. And for a while, I was not putting any bronzer, which, okay, why did nobody tell me before? Like, you need bronzer on your face. I was just putting just blush, and my forehead was so huge with nothing else but, you know, foundation, concealer, and then my cheeks were full of blush, and the rest was just the way it is, you know, like full on eyeshadow, nothing else, no sympathy. I'm just like, girl, we've come a long way. So, and then I need to sharpen out everything because that looks kind of crazy. I'm gonna put the blood powder right under, and using just a flat regular brush. I'm not gonna use a loose powder that I used today because it really doesn't work well. Like, it's pretty bad. It does not fit at all, and I just don't want to deal with it. It's gonna make my skin even darker, and that's why I put like a foundation that was super light compared to what I am right now. And I just put that powder on top and it kind of like equalized. I don't know if you guys do that. Like, oh, you have a powder that just looks weird, so you just take something else. But that's exactly what I did today. It was just like, oh, yes, the blood powder. I'm going to put a bit everywhere and it's going to brighten under my eyes. And ooh, oh my God, just 1 second because my laptop is literally going to die. So I have to run. We're back. The laptop is plugged in. It's like there was like 10% off, 10% left. The reason why, it's because sometimes I don't know, I just unplug my laptop, bring it, and I don't bring the plug. And then if it takes me certain time or certain amount of time to do that, it's crazy. It just doesn't work. And anyways, I'm rambling. And yeah, look at this. It kind of fits. It's crazy. The whole vibe. I love it. Then we need to put some blush. And I was like, should I go with a certain blush? Liquid blush. I was like, maybe it's gonna do something. So I'm gonna go with this one, which I didn't go in it for a while, but the color of it is just gonna fit with my eyeshadow. So this is Sweet Cheeks by NYX. You gotta use this sparingly because this is really pigmented and I don't want to mess up my nails. So I guess I'm gonna use this is what you need to do. Such a pretty color though. It's look, okay? Inspiration, you got the nails, you got the blush. It fits. It fits. We're going for that one. And then I'm just dusting it off a little bit. And then just applying it here. Do y'all like my makeup yet? It's so cute. Oh, by the way, I added a little bit of liquid liner, continuing my false lashes because you could definitely tell that I had false lashes and I don't want that. And the false lashes, they're completely new. I decided not to cut them. I tried to place them so I don't have to cut them. I hate cutting false lashes because there's a possibility of you cutting it too much, and sometimes when it's longer you can place it a certain way to really elongate the eye, and I feel like when I don't cut them now it kind of fits with the eye makeup look. I don't know, comment on in the comments down below. I want to know, what do you think about that? I don't know. For now it's cute though. I like it. I'm just like, let me just wipe that off for a second. I had a bit of lip gloss, but I'm like, I wanted to put my lip, but I'm missing something. It is the highlighter. What am I doing with my life? I need some highlighter right now. Where are you? Did I even take one out? I did. I have the Pat McGrath highlighter and I'm going to mix it with the MAC Cosmetics highlighter. So we're going to go with that one, that brush from MAC, because it picks up way more pigment. Definitely more precise. A highlight from MAC. I might have to put the one that I have under my eyes too. The MAC one that enhances a little bit my texture. So then I'm gonna go with the Jaclyn Hill one. This one is a little bit more fine. And I'm like, wow, I didn't have any pores up until I put that highlighter on. Oh my god. Okay, voila. And then for the final touches, I feel like I want to put something very bright from Pat McGrath that's gonna look very well with my, with my lips. So I'm gonna go with this lip liner, Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil. It is in the shade Living Legend. All right, and the color I'm gonna go with Elson 2. So it's gonna be kind of like a brownish mixed with this red orange, the same as my eyeshadow. So it's gonna fit very, very well. Hopefully I say that. And the blush disappeared every time I put my lip liner or lip color. The blush literally disappears. So I'm just gonna be applying a little bit more blush because this is insane. And there you go. That is the makeup for today. It's gonna be fitting with my nails, something very orangey, fiery. This fiery autumn cut crease, whatever you want to say, but this was the vibe that I was feeling today with my shirt, with my nails, everything had to fit in a certain way, and that's why I put some brown so then it could fit with the green that I had on my shirt, but anyways, this is the makeup for today, and if you liked it, make sure to like the video, comment down below what you think about this full glam fiery moment, and make sure to subscribe for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So thank you so much guys for watching. I really, really love you beauties, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye guys.